Okay, in this digital service report how-to video, we're going to show you how to attach a report to a job. So you've already created the job. On your main screen, this is what you're going to see. If you've got multiple jobs, they'll all be stacked here. Just click on the arrow to the side. This then brings you to this menu where you can select what report you want to attach to that job. The most common ones are the service inspection and basic safety inspection. In other reports, there is a whole host of other reports, right down from a comprehensive safety inspection, automatic transmission, basic diagnostic inspection, battery test, etc., etc. The other report is quite a handy one if you've got a job, maybe a timing belt or anything like that, that you just want to take some photos to give email to the customer and put some job notes on there. When the technician has finished, he clicks ready for review, goes OK. And then back on that main screen, your front counter people, whoever's in the office, can see that that vehicle has been changed, the status has been changed to inspected, and this is where you can go in, edit it before you change it to being completed. And once it's completed, that will then leave that screen and it'll go into your completed job screen, which to get to that, just go up the top here, click on complete, and that job is now in here. It's from this menu that you can then email, send it to the customer direct as an email, download it as a PDF and just show them on the screen, or you can print a paper copy of it if you wish. Very handy, very quick. Now, once a job's in the completed format, you cannot edit it. If you wish to edit it, you just need to change the status back to inspected. That will then move that job back to incomplete, and you can go in there and do whatever you want before you email it off to the customer. If you want to untick other reports, just click on it. This screen will come up asking you, are you sure? Just bearing in mind, if you've got information that's in any of these reports and you click yes, it's gone and you can't get it back, so you'll have to redo it. Service inspection is one of the most popular ones that gets used. This is the only one that has sub-menus, so all the other reports are all on the one page. This particular one, bar the comprehensive service report, has these subcategories inside. When you go in here, you can follow the format. If you just want to follow how this flows, click on this. Technician fills these items out. If he wants to put a note here, there's a bulb out, there's drop-down menu. He can click either save. If you click save here, it will just bring you back to this menu where you can follow whatever sequence you wish to follow. If you just want to follow the logical sequence one after the other, all you have to do is click save and next, and that brings you to the next screen or the next item in that list. If you're doing a vehicle that's maybe not that old, you can use this apply bulk action. And you can click on that, apply to all, it turns all these green. Just a feature that was added to make it a little bit quicker to fill out. When the technician has completed all these items on the report, down the bottom here, there'll be waiting for review. He just clicks on that. The reason why this is already in grey is because on our main job, it is already ticked for inspected. So we need to bring it back to be inspected. When the technician's in here at the bottom of this, it's ready for review. Also, if you follow the sequence and you get to the final service checks, there is, when you finish checking these off, you can click that and it will also complete the report and change the status for ready for review. So then on your main job screen, it then changes this. So it's a visual aid to anyone that's controlling your workshop that that job is now ready to be checked. Have fun, and thanks for watching.